Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, where today we are introducing our Galentines. We had there were 4 of us, and each one of us was chosen to gift the next until we made the full rotation and all 4 of us received our packages. Craft Creations for Fun sent me mine. She was my Galentine. I sent mine to Mandalee Cards and More. I was her Galentine. Dalia sent hers over to Elegant Creations by Edwina, and she was her Galentine, and then Edwina was Jenny's Galentine. So we made the full circle, and each of us received our gifts, and we were given the opportunity to either open them all up on the 15th of February or do a daily blurb. So I chose to do a daily blurb and then incorporate it all into one video, which is what we're going to do today. So you'll see me open up day 1 and I'll introduce day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, etc. So I don't want to make this a huge long video because Jenny sent me, I texted her and I said, where's the kitchen sink? This lady sent me so many nice things, and this is her card to me. I'm not going to read that. It just explains how and what she's kind of sort of put this together. She sent me extras. These are all beautiful sheets of papers and some felt. She sent me that really cool felt, and I'm going to do something with that felt. I'm not sure yet exactly what, but I am going to do something with it. And then she sent me these, which I thought was beautiful. The beautiful felt, and then some more craft paper, which I go crazy over. If y'all saw what I had, you would swear I had stock in Hobby Lobby and Michael's, but I don't, not yet. And then she sent me these steampunk gears. Aren't they cool? So I'm going to be doing some stuff with those. Thank you, Jenny, for all the extras. And then these, she said, go with the... She didn't have enough room to put them in the envelope, she said, so she added them to the box, and they are written... They're written on the envelope, what's in here. So we're going to pull those out. We're going to first... I'm not going to expose what's in the envelopes. Oh my God. Ah, guys, you remember? Check this out. Remember? I'm doing the green journal. Woo! I got to find the book page that goes with that. I know where it's at. I put it on another journal. But look. Look at this. These were extras. Oh, those I'm going to use. I'm going to use. Oh my God. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. So here's day 14, day 2, day 11. Here's day 8. Here's day 8. We'll get to those. You've already seen them, but you haven't seen what's on the envelopes. And then look at this. Oh my God. Aren't those gorgeous? So, if you... Oh, Lord, look. All the little heart stuff. Okay, that's 3. Can't be peeky here. That's day 10. Day 12. And I'll have to put those in order. And then look. Look at this. Unimaginable. So she's just... Oh, look. Oh, and I got a spot for those. Jenny, you know me well. And then look. Look. Family, faith, miracle. Ooh, I got a spot for those. I got a spot for it all. And then she has, ooh, bling bling. You know I love my bling bling. And then she has all of these. Oh, look. Polaroids. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have fun with this stuff. Jenny, you know me. You know me. Unbelievable. Look at the flowers on the envelope. Ooh, I see in my future a lot of paper clips. Look at the paper clips. Look. Paper clips. Yes, I'm not going to go through all of these because look at that. The video is going to be quite long right now, but I'm going to do those up. I'm going to set this aside. Boxy charm. Wow. I'm so impressed. I'm going to link Jenny's channel in the description, and I want you to go over there and see her her swaps, okay? And then I'm going to invite you over to her YouTube channel, or over to the Decorate Your Life YouTube channel, because Jenny is the she is the social media and marketing director for Decorate Your Life, and they do wishing Wednesdays, and you can put in your wishes for Wednesdays, and y'all, we all have stuff we want to share with you, so I'm going to invite you over to that page on Facebook. It is Decorate Your Life, because when you see the kinds of things Jenny sends out and Sandy sends out and Dalia sends, what we all mail out, it's gonna blow your socks off. All right, let's look. No way. No way. No. This is beautiful. She even put my name on it. Junk Journal Diva. Oh, I'm going to start opening all of my videos with this. Yes. All right. So we're going to find, oh, look, there's day 1. That's the one we're going to open today. Day 2. We're going to open day 2 today. And here's 14 and 9. 3, 15, 10. Look, she's even numbered them. 4, 11, 16. Would you believe this? 5 and 12. 6 and 13. 7. And then she put in the, you use these for when you're doing your charms. Oh, I just love it. And then here's day 8. So let's go back. First of all, let's make sure there's not a day 1 in my stack over here. This will go with day 2. Goes with day 12. I thought I saw a day 12 in there. Yes, day 12. Day 14. I didn't see a day 14. Did you guys see? I see 15 and 10, 11, 16, 4, 12, 13, 6, 7. We'll just put 14 all the way to the back. And then if I find it, and here's day 11. Now, you're going to see this in its entirety. Where's day 11? Here's day 11. You will see the whole thing, right? You're going to see all of it done. There's 2. We're just going to do it like this. We're going to lean these up. 2, 11, 12, and 14. Hopefully those aren't in the way. All right, whoops. They can be if I let them fall. Look at this. I can't get over this. It's a notebook. All right, so what do we have for day 1? Day 1. I got fat fingers. Oh, look. They're brads. They're little heart-shaped brads. Oh, I love brads. I love brads. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun. I'm going to have to do a February journey. All right. That is day 1. I'll see you here real soon with day 2. All right, guys, here we are on day 2. And look, we have beautiful, beautiful Happy Valentine's trim. And it says authentic. And then it says, I never say never. And I never say always. Grace Kelly. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna put all my trims, Jenny, in a trim book. In a trim box. Okay. So that was day 2. Oh, she sent, what she did was she sent the whole thing. Look at this. Wow, look at that, guys. Now, can you imagine the bows I'm going to be able to make? Yeah. Rhonda's going to make some pretty bows. This all goes in my trim. And then we'll keep the bags, because the bags are going to be turned into something. We keep everything. Everything is kept. All right, guys, that's day 1 and 2. Stay tuned for day 3 and 4. You got to watch to find it, see it, experience it. This lady knows what she's doing. She certainly does a great swap. All right. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.